Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can very easily and quickly clear the cache in the YouTube app on your iPhone. Friends, put your likes, also write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. And let's go ahead and get into this topic. Please open the phone settings on your iPhone to begin with. And here you will need to scroll a little bit and select the option which is called Basic. And then here, select iPhone Memory. And in the iPhone Memory, scroll down until you see YouTube. When you find YouTube, click on it. And here you will see an option like this. It's called Unload App. So please click on that and wait for the app to be unloaded from your iPhone. After this process is over, also here, click on the word Reload App. And now let me tell you what these actions will give you. By unloading and reinstalling YouTube will delete all the cache files because that's how this app is cleaned up. This application after it will clear all the cache in this way. YouTube will work much better, faster, and will not be clogged with some old cache that is absolutely unnecessary, which clogs both the memory of the phone and the memory of your YouTube. This is how you can clear the YouTube cache on your iPhone pretty quickly. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, put likes. Don't forget to write a comment and see you soon.